Welcome back to another video. Today we have the 18 bolt brushless LXT times 2. This is the 7 1/4 circular saw, the sidewinder edition, or whatever you want to call it. This is the deal we got for $97. If you buy it with these batteries, you get these for free. If you pay the $200, what is it, $190 something dollars, you buy the saw basically and you get those batteries for free. The saw ends up $91, I believe. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can continue to buy tools like this, make videos like this on this channel. Don't forget to help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, you got the Makita LXT 18 volt times 2, so 2 batteries. Corded performance meets cordless convenience. Up to 610 2x4s cross cuts per charge. Warranty 3 years. We got 45-minute charge time. 18 volts, 5 amp hour batteries. 2. They do have a charging level. You got charger and a bag included. We got XSH06PT. That's the way it looks when you unpackage it. You got that poster, so basically a poster with all the tools. We'll set this aside. Next thing we got is the instruction for the saw. Instructions for the charger. Alright, next thing we have this is a big boy here. This is a big charger. You got Makita, obviously dual port charger. You got DC 18RD. You got Lion 14.4 18 volts. Nick, you know the older batteries. I don't know what they are. 7.2 to 14.4 volts. Tells you the indications here. Obviously green, flashing green is charging or something like that. Yep. Solid green's already charged, and then you got the song or the little bell there. Got some more indications here for the second battery. Here's the indications for the first battery, and then for the second battery. All we got is the item number. We got Makita DC 18RD 2-port multi-charger, 2 batteries, 120 volts, 460 watts. So really fast charger here. Also, something really important about this charger, it does have a USB port here, so you guys see there. Alright, next thing you have is the bag. This is a huge bag. I always love Makita's bags. They're very heavy duty. Alright, so you guys see here, pretty heavy duty. You got some thick zippers here. This thing's huge. This thing's massive. So I guess it has to be massive for this saw. This saw's pretty big. The saw. Wow, this thing's huge. This thing's a huge. It weighs. This is not the lightest saw. Tell you the truth. This does weigh. It already has the batteries in there. Let's see here. We can test these batteries. So I guess it does have a button there. So we got 1 bar. So the fuel gauge is on the tool, and it should be on the battery too. So it says right there 1 bar. So it does come with 2 5 amp hour batteries. We're gonna go ahead and put this on the charger. For you guys, you got brushless here on the side. It says blade size 7 1/4. Got Makita 36 volts. XSH06. You obviously got the gauges there. You got some nice rubber handle. Got a nice stop there. Then you got another rubber handle here. So maybe if you need some help, you know, carrying this heavy piece of equipment around. Motor compartment. And you got maybe a tool to change the blade. You got an adjustment here. I don't know what this knob is for. You got the adjustment here for the degrees. Obviously you can let it, you can set it like so. Set your degrees. And obviously your degrees are going to be on this side. So your degreaser is going to be there, and then your arrow is going to be right there. So it's going to be your arrow. So all the way to 56 degrees. You got brushless motor, brake. So this does have a brake. It says Makita there. This is aluminum. This is all metal, guys. My old Joby, I mean, it's a great saw, don't get me wrong, but it is plastic. All this is plastic. I believe this is plastic too, on my Joby. So it's gonna be a nice upgrade for me. So that's how far down you want to go. It does have a nice clear measurement there. I don't know if you guys can see that. So obviously this is a lever. You guys can the depth gauge. And then you guys can close it. Measurement is right there. Wait, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is a measurement there. This thing's a beast. This is for the blade guard. It does have an exhaust port here through this hole. It says 18 volts, 36 volts, LXT. You got a place here so you can put a lanyard or tie it to your belt or something. So in case you're working upstairs, it doesn't fall on anybody. But if you guys see down there, you do have two LEDs. So work LEDs, and I believe you do have a brake for the blade. So you got a nice brake there for when you're switching the blade. That's it for this one. We'll do a test cut outside and we'll see how this works. So we're gonna do a couple runs here. Another cut here. The thickness of the cut. So it's about 2.5. I say that's a really nice cut from the saw. Definitely check it out. I'm pretty sure this doesn't have any problems cutting this whole board in length. I'm not gonna do it on this video. We'll maybe do a versus video with another tool. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Make to review videos. That's the way to run the platform by subscribing and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one.